Encountering issues with your Vortex mixer can disrupt your workflow and delay experiments. Understanding common problems and their solutions can help you quickly resolve issues and minimize downtime. Let's explore some typical problems and how to address them. 1. Motor not starting. Solution: check the power source and ensure the mixer is properly plugged in. Verify that the switch is turned on and the fuse or circuit breaker is not blown. 2. Irregular speed or no movement. Solution: ensure the sample tube is securely placed and not obstructing the motor. Adjust the speed settings if necessary. If the problem persists, consult the manufacturer's troubleshooting guide. 3. Excessive noise. Solution: tighten any loose screws or parts. Check for debris or foreign objects that might be causing the noise. If the noise continues, there may be a mechanical issue requiring professional service. 4. Inconsistent mixing. Solution: check the mixing platform for wear or damage. Ensure the sample is evenly distributed and adjust the speed settings accordingly. If the problem persists, recalibration may be necessary. 5. Electronic malfunctions. Solution: unplug the mixer and wait a few minutes before plugging it back in to reset the electronics. If the issue remains, seek assistance from the manufacturer or a certified technician. By addressing these common issues, you can maintain the functionality and reliability of your Vortex mixer. Regular maintenance and prompt troubleshooting can help prevent more serious problems and prolong the lifespan of the device. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.